Well, leaders from the Sunrise Hospital and Medical Center in Las Vegas came to the Port City this weekend to talk about what they learned from the mass shooting they experienced last October. Well, WBAY's Jenna Kazina joins us now and has more on what they wanted to share. Hey, Jenna.
Andrew, the Chief Medical Officer and Emergency Services Director from the Vegas Hospital are going around the country to teach what they have learned, but say you never see something like this coming. And the best thing to do is have a plan and be ready for anything.
Well, mass casualty is never something you want to go through. It was very difficult. Stays with me today.
Jeffrey Morosky, the Chief Medical Officer, witnessed the Vegas shooting firsthand, treating patients and working to save those victims' lives. Now he hopes to teach what he learned from the mass shooting to other healthcare professionals.
Our opportunity to share that, really give the detail, answer the questions, I think will help every community prepare for something they just don't want to have happen.
As the country sees another mass shooting, Morosky says it is critical for every hospital to have a plan and be prepared for the worst, something New Hanover Regional Medical Center says they have.
Our hospital has a mass casualty plan, but I would qualify that by saying no hospital is perfectly ready for a flawless response to 200 gunshot wound victims.
Dorita Sonderecker, who also works at the hospital that treated victims of the Vegas shooting, says mental health plays a role in mass casualties.
I think nationwide, part of the equation is dealing with mental health disorders and making sure we can recognize people in distress, but take care of them before they go into a crisis mode.
Meanwhile, the Vegas hospital tries to reflect on the things they did well.
There's a lot of lessons in the care we provide we can take away, but mostly I take away the positives of the people's lives we were able to help, that went home, that have come back to say hi. It's really a great thing to be able to say you've done that.
Morosky says he wishes he had the answer to put a stop to the mass shootings. But right now, as a medical professional, he says people have to be better at responding when they do happen. Both of the leaders from the Vegas hospital say they are sending a banner to the hospital in Parkland, Florida, to tell them they will get through this, and as both a staff and community, as well as for them to heal, but also share what they have learned. Andrew.